up, guys? I got a shipment here and it's all open, and unfortunately my nephew opened it, tried to open it, but let's go ahead and unbox the rest of the video and see how it goes. So let's get started. Okay, here we are. We have our shipment from Prolightz from Canada. Let's see what's inside the box. All right, let's get rid of the messed up tape that my nephew screwed over. Let's get that out of the way. All right, so we got that out of the way. Let's see what's inside. It's nice and packaged. That way everything's protected. Okay, what's this? All right, let's take that out. Let's get everything out. So we got that. Looks like it's a fog light cover. This is another fog light cover. More packaging material to protect the box. And looks like we got a wiring harness. Fancy wiring harness. And looks like we got 2 boxes of Morimoto XP Fog Lights housings. So let's get these out of the box. All right, we got it all out. Okay, so everything's set up. 2 fog lights, wiring harness, and some fog light bezels. Let's go over each individual one. We'll start off with the fog light bezels. Okay, so let's go ahead and use my fancy flowery pink scissors. Get this bag open. Yeah. Get this baby out. Nice and properly wrapped to protect it. I do appreciate that and love and respect that. Got to protect the quality of the product. Okay. Look at that. This is an OEM fog light bezel for Subaru, made by Subaru, that you use the LED fog light. Look at that. Cool. We can throw this onto an STi or, right? Wow. Throw this onto a STi or a base WRX, limited, anything. All right, let's see what else is next. Okay, here's the wiring harness. What do we get with it? We get some nice OEM quality grade screws to lock in the fog lights, along with the clips for the screws. Check that out. Screws and the covers from this for the screws, so they lock in. So these are OEM and stainless steel hardware. Let's see what else we got. Look at that. Teflon sleeve, water resistant relay harness. You got the 9005 connection. You have the inline fuse. You got the ground connection. You got the power connection. Here's another inline fuse that goes to the fuse box. That way it just all directly goes plug and play. No splicing, nothing needs to be done. This is all set and ready to roll out of the box for you to install. And we'll do that installation in a bit to show you how it's done. But man, this is a quality harness made in Canada. Oh man, I love it. You don't see these as often. Just look at that. Look at that. Looks like pure quality. It's amazing. It's awesome. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, so let's take a look at the fog lights. Let's see what we get in these fancy boxes. Let's open them up. All right, look at that. Wow. Also properly packed. Let's see what's in here. Look at that. Look at those high quality, high performing Cree LED chips in there. It's a nice thick lens for the output. These fog lights are made by Morimoto, but you can only exclusively get this particular fog light kit for your Subaru from Prolightz. Now again, the kit is exclusively through Prolightz. Prolightz has been around for over 10 years. They specialize in Subarus, and they are the Morimoto Canadian Master Distributor. And they carry pretty much everything available from Morimoto, Profile Performance, ACME, and also Diode Dynamics, along with their own in-house brand, which is Prolightz. Stuff like the kit we're showing you is an exclusive Prolightz product. So these are the Morimoto Type S version 1 fog light assemblies, which to my knowledge no one else sells other than Prolightz. Now there is a version 2 fog light that's the most up-to-date model, but fun little fact is that the version 1 is actually brighter than the version 2. And these side-by-side photos will show you the differences between both of their performances. Essentially, the version 1 is a little bit older, but it is actually much better than the version 2. Interesting to say enough. But that's the end of the product review. We went ahead and installed these sets to our lucky follower on our YouTube channel. Unfortunately, we did not get a chance to do any output shots, but here is what they look like. They're extremely bright. They're incredibly fashionable, and it makes the STi look the way it should have looked like from factory with some fog lights. Thank you very much again for watching. Again, be sure to subscribe to your channel, like the video, and drop any comments below. And be sure to follow Prolightz. And if you're in Canada, be sure to give them a follow. Be sure to order all your stuff from them directly, since they are the #1 Morimoto distributor in Canada. Again, thank you again for watching. Good night.